with OTC. I'm a product manager on the specialty tool line. And watching a lot of technicians, we recognize broken manifold studs can be a bad day, if you will. So a couple things we don't want to do is if you're drilling out a stud, you don't want to punch all the way through and hit the water jacket. Pretty much wrecks the motor if you do that, right? We've got some other special tools here that I think will help you save some time as you're performing that repair. First of all, we'll show you how to drill that broken stud out directly on center. It'll take me a minute to set this up. This is a drill guide system. I'm going to use any good hole on the head here that lets me slide this and orient it directly over another stud that's broken flush when I have to drill it out. Then with these little guides, we're going to give you the ability to step drill from small to large. Directly on the center of that stud. So as you can drill that out, you can remove it, go to the next one, so on and so forth. So that's our approach to handling studs that break flush. Pretty common. Perhaps more frustrating is when a stud breaks halfway, it's frozen in the hole. If you live in the rust belt like I do, they're always rusted in. What started as an 8mm stud is no longer 8mm because of the rust and the corrosion has made it smaller. So we've come up with a mechanics collet set. And based on the feedback that we've got from technicians, we want something between 6 and 8mm for those rusted studs. And in fact, we've actually got a 7mm collet here to do that. We've got generally a collet holder. It's on the whole principle of a collet. It's keyed. Just going to get it started to secure that. Again, here's a stud with just a 1/4 inch exposed. Tighten that down. Use 2 wrenches to really get a good bite on that. And you'll be able to roll that broken stud exposed. So like we know, and you do too, if you've got broken manifolds, that's pretty common on light-duty trucks and bigger. You kind of go back to flat rate, right? And this is a tool that we hope you'll reach for, and it makes the day a little bit easier. Thanks a lot.